Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue chapter 4, that is heat, with a new topic, that is types of thermometer. Thermometer is a device which is used to measure the temperature of a body, and these thermometers are classified into two types, and these are classified on the basis of types of liquid filled in them. So the first one is, that is mercury thermometer, and the second one is alcohol thermometer. In mercury thermometer, mercury is used, and in case of alcohol thermometer, alcohol that is filled in the thermometer. So these thermometers are named after the liquid used in the bulb of the thermometer. So now we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of these thermometers. So firstly, let's start with the advantages of mercury thermometer. Mercury is a good conductor of heat, so it quickly reaches the temperature of the surrounding. It gives quite accurate reading because it does not stick to the surface of the tube. It can measure a wide range of temperature as it has a high boiling point, that is 357 degrees Celsius, and a low freezing point, that is minus 39 degrees Celsius. So it can measure a wide range of temperatures. Mercury that has shiny silver color, which helps us to read or to check the reading of thermometer easily. We can easily check the reading of the thermometer. Now the disadvantages of mercury thermometer are: it cannot be used to measure very low temperature, means below minus 39 degrees Celsius we cannot use mercury thermometer to measure the temperature, because this minus 39 degrees Celsius, that is the freezing point of mercury. So below this temperature we cannot use mercury thermometer to measure the temperature. And mercury is very poisonous and expensive metal. Now the next topic is advantages of alcohol thermometer. Alcohol is a cheaper, easily available and safe to use liquid which can be used. Alcohol thermometer that can be used to measure very low temperature, means up to minus 115 degrees Celsius we can measure with the help of alcohol thermometer, because alcohol thermometer is filled with the alcohol and which has low freezing point, that is minus 115 degrees Celsius. This is the freezing point of alcohol. So it can be used to measure the very low temperature, that is up to minus 115 degrees Celsius we can measure with the help of alcohol thermometer. Now the next is disadvantages of alcohol thermometer. Alcohol has a low boiling point, that is 78 degrees Celsius. So it cannot be used to measure high temperature. Above 78 degrees Celsius we cannot measure the temperature with the help of alcohol thermometer. Then next one is, it needs to be dyed before being used as a thermometer liquid, because alcohol that is a colorless liquid. So it needs to be dyed so that we can check the reading of the thermometer easily. That liquid that will be visible to us after dyeing it. So students, I hope today the topics that we have discussed are clear to you. In next lecture we will discuss about the types of mercury thermometer. Thank you.